saw you staring at me. There you stood with that come on look in your eyes. To myself I said, boy, you better leave it be. I said, baby, I'm a married man, can't you see? She said, baby, don't make it a difference to me. I said, baby, well, my wife would kill me, you know. She said, hey, baby, that's sure a fine way to go. Kick it. Oh, she said it won't hurt a thing, you know. She said, baby, your wife is never gonna find out, don't you see? You'll have the time of your life, you've got my personal guarantee. So I said, okay, baby, I just can't resist you no more. Yeah, but while they were there, my wife walked through the door. And with the devil in her eyes, well, she pulled out a gun, don't you know? I found out it wasn't such a fine way to go. Ooh, with the devil in her eyes, well, she pulled out a gun, don't you know? Said I found out it wasn't such a fine way to go. Yeah, and I found out it wasn't such a fine way to go. That's the way, yeah, you live. Oh, me. Well, my daddy, he once said to me, well, there's one thing you should know. Oh, it don't come easy. There ain't no easy come and go. That I found you and I sang you a song, and you said someday we'll make it. You should know the road is hard and long. Girl, do you think that you can take it? Easy come and easy go. That's the way I always thought it should be. Easy come and easy. That's the way, yeah, you now at last we finally made it. Don't fit. Now at last I finally see. Found it easy to come to me. Found it easier to go. Oh, and home. See your picture on the wall. See your face in the mirror, and the pictures get clearer. Thoughts of you still hang around. I still feel just like a clown. Guess you still make all the rules. Guess I still act like a fool. But I'm still doing time, and you still play upon my mind. And as time goes crawling by, your memories on my mind. I still sit here all alone. Well, this house just ain't a home. I can't help but think of you when I see somebody new. Ooh, I'm still doing time, and you play upon my mind. But as time goes crawling by, oh, your memories on my mind. Ooh, I'm still doing time, you still play upon my mind. And as time goes crawling by, girl, your memories on my mind. Keep on doing time. What am I to do? Keep on doing time. I'm having a heart attack. They don't love me anymore. Yeah, my heart stopped right in its tracks when she walked out the door. Somebody call 911. The pain's too much to bear. My condition is critical. Lord, I need intensive care. And I'm having a heart attack. She don't love me anymore. My heart stopped right in its tracks when she walked out the door. Some physical therapy, and I will be just fine. And a new love will keep me strong till the very next time that I have a heart attack. 'Cause she don't love me anymore. Yet my heart stops right in its tracks when she walks out the door. She don't love me anymore. Oh, my heart stopped right in its tracks when she walked out the door. I'm having a heart attack. I'm having a heart attack. Thank you.